Yeah. So hi, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is my 17th video on Safe Tool. We are continuing our topic on Agile teams. Today's topic is Agile teams organized around value. As we are aware, we are trying to discuss all the different components which are available as part of safe lean enterprise in different configurations. So we started with the essential configuration. We discussed about business and technology. So currently we are running with the topic called agile teams. Yeah. So let us start today's topic. Agile teams are organized around value. So one of the safe principle, the 10th one is the organized around value, which guides enterprises to organize people and teams around one goal, right? The continuous delivery of value to customer. But to do so, they must consider how best to design their agile teams, right? Matthew Skelton and Manuel Pais, in their book called Team Topologies, describe four fundamental team types that enhance and simplify this task of organizing around value, right? So these team topologies provide insights on how to organize solution builders and create a clear model for organizing agile teams within safe. The four team topologies are shown in this picture, right? There is one stream aligned team, there is a complicated subsystem team, there is an enabling team, and there is a platform team, right? So we will discuss each of these teams and their expected behaviors as well in my subsequent slides. Let us start with our first topology, which is stream-aligned teams. The term stream-aligned emphasizes the importance of organizing teams to deliver a continuous stream of value within the development stream that builds, runs, and supports the product and solution. The book defining stream-aligned team, as a stream of work empowered to build and deliver customer or user value as quickly, safely, and as independently as possible without requiring hands off to other teams to perform parts of the work. Right? What they're trying to say here is a team which works independently and delivers by itself. You don't need any hands off to any other teams actually. So one of the most significant benefits of organizing teams in this way is customer centricity. So each team has a direct relationship with the customer they serve. Stream aligned teams apply design thinking practices to better understand their customer personas, building and supporting their desired features. It stands to reason that most teams in a lean agile enterprise should be streamlined, right? So in safe, teams operate within arts, that fulfill large development value streams. Rarely you can see a single stream aligned team build an entire solution. So for entire solution, you might need to have multiple, or numerous or handful stream-aligned teams actually. If you take a look at one single stream-aligned team, they might be working on a specific solution or a set of feature, a specific customer persona, or a specific product innovation, or a specific business domain, right? So they may not be working on an entire solution. You may need number of teams to work on entire solution. Let us try to understand the responsibilities for a stream-aligned teams actually. There are a number of responsibilities listed here. The first one is know your customer. Build and maintain a direct relationship with customer and develop a deep understanding of market segments served. Develop a steady flow of new features, right? Features describe a customer need and associated benefits. New features should make up the majority of the work as streamlined team delivers. Apply design thinking, right? Understand the problem space, explore the solution options, validate the customer, and incorporate feedback. Apply continuous improvement practices, like you can use retrospectives, built-in quality, right? Taking responsibility that in all the works meets the appropriate standards. Collaborate, right? You can have PA planning, odds, all these are collaboration mechanisms. Respond to customer needs, right? React to the new feature requests, incidents, and everything. Support the solution in production, right? So stream-aligned teams take the responsibility of supporting their solution elements in production. In other words, they build it, they run it. The second type of agile teams is complicated subsystem team. A complicated subsystem team is responsible for building and maintaining a part of a system that depends heavily on specialist knowledge, to the extent that most team members must be specialists in that area of knowledge in order to understand, make the changes to the subsystem. A complicated subsystem could build things such as, highly specialized system components often used across multiple systems, safety critical system elements which have high cost of failure, specialty algorithms are business rules that are critical for fitness of use in the domain, a part of cyber physical system, an engine control module in an autonomous vehicle. Right? These are some of the examples of complicated subsystem. The teams that could build things around it. As a kind of a thumb rule, a single art might contain less than three complicated subsystem teams. Let us look at the responsibilities of these complicated subsystem teams. They they build, maintain, and they support the complicated subsystem, right? Recognizing and commit to the critical technical elements they built. Maintain their level of expertise. They need to continue to advance the knowledge and skills required to work within the subsystem. Collaborate with the streamline teams, very, very important. And plan and prioritize effectively. Develop appropriate interfaces. Very, very important that complicated subsystem should develop appropriate interfaces and take the responsible part, a built-in quality. That's again, it is responsibility for both stream aligned as well, complicated subsystem. For any team, built-in quality is a need of an hour. The third type of team we're going to discuss about the platform team. So platform teams are, you know, defined as follows. The platform team provide the underlying internal services required by streamlined teams to deliver high-level services or functionalities that reducing their cognitive load actually. So this is definition of platform team. The responsibilities involved collaborating with the streamlined teams, similar to complicated subsystem teams. These people also will collaborate with the streamlined teams. They build platform incrementally, right? So the platform team is kind of, they build basic infrastructure for any application like APIs, or it can be of architectural things, or it could be of building some common libraries around it. Right. So they streamline teams build application on top of that, right? The another responsibilities will be focus on usabilities, right? Provide platform that are easy to use, like self-service capabilities. Commit to support and maintenance, right? It's very important. You have to support and maintain the platform. The platform, the streamline teams are relying on that platform, right? And leading by examples, right? Keep the platform thin, develop them on top of other platform where applicable, right? The final type of agile team is the enabling team. So enabling teams help streamline teams acquire missing capabilities, usually around a specific technical or a product management area. So one example of enabling team is in SAFE is the system team, which assist our teams with the building and supporting continuous delivery pipelines. Some more specialized examples of enabling teams, could be like DevOps implementation, automated testing, continuous integration and build tooling, engineering quality practices, security, environments, and configuration. These are some of the examples of enabling teams. If you look at the responsibilities and behaviors of enabling team, that include being innovative, identify opportunities for improvement, adopting new technologies and practices, collaborate proactively, identify the teams that need to work with, understand their specific requirements, and check progress regularly, communicate regularly, keep the teams and wider organization, abreast on new technologies and emerging best practices, promote a continuous learning culture within their own team, the teams they are working with currently, and across wider organization, right? So these are the critical aspects of enabling teams. So with that, we have come to the conclusion of today's video. Hope you got a fair idea about how agile teams are getting organized around value. We talked about team topologies, which has four types of teams. The first one is the stream aligned teams, where they're the main now a team that is running the art and everything. And second team we talked about complicated subsystem. And third we talked about platform team, and fourth one is the enablers team. So we also talked about the responsibilities and behaviors of all these four type of teams as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. I would like to listen from you if any improvements in my delivery and content. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye bye.